If you are experiencing random lag spikes, high ping, or connectivity delays while playing online multiplayer games on Windows 11, your default network adapter configuration is likely bottlenecking your packet flow. You can fix this immediately by adjusting 3 hidden network settings. Here is how to optimize your connection. First, let's open your network controller properties dashboard. Press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard to open the small run utility box. Type in the code ncpa.cpl and hit enter to open your network connections folder list page. Locate your active internet connection link. Right click on it and select properties. At the very top area of the pop-up menu layout block, click on the button labeled Configure. This opens your direct hardware adapter firmware settings page window. Click OK on all open windows and restart your PC for a crystal clear, lag-free online gaming experience. If this quick network optimization guide helped you lower your ping numbers, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.